Hi, I am Carolina Smalls and I am the creator of JOI. Joy of Interaction. Programs that are going to be designed for you to interact more with other people. One of our first programs is called the JOI Hispanic Culture Competition. The JOI Hispanic Culture Competition is the first concept to celebrate the Hispanic Heritage Month. The Hispanic Heritage Month starts on September 15th and ends on October 15th. How are we going to celebrate the culture this year? We usually have a festival. We have a Latino festival. Unfortunately, this year, we're not going to have one in Roanoke. We are hoping to bring it back next year. For 14 years, Dr. Yolanda Puyana was the one who brought the Latino festival to Roanoke, and I helped her during the last 2 years. So I'm going to start this competition for the first time, and I hope that you get really excited as much as we are, the team of my PerSUNality company, just to put the concept together, because next year I am bringing the Hispanic Culture Competition and bringing back the Latino Festival. Now I'm going to talk about the competition. The way that we're going to do this competition is like this. I group different Latin American countries based on common cultural aspects. Then I assign groups of these countries to different universities who decided to participate in the competition this year. The universities include Fairham College, Roanoke College, Hollins University, Radford University, and Virginia Tech. The students at the university are going to help me represent many countries of Latin America right there in their universities. I am going to be judging 4 cultural aspects in this competition. Not just me, but a group of judges that we selected. And this is how we're going to judge the competition. We're going to do it based on 4 cultural aspects. We are going to have a group of judges, people who are experts in culture, and also who come from those countries, to evaluate how the students in the universities represented this concept. These are the 4 cultural aspects. Aspect number 1 is the traditional outfit. Many of the countries in Latin America, even though they have a lot of common traits, they have a specific typical dress or traditional outfit. For example, in Venezuela, where I'm from, we have 3 colors in our flag. So we can wear a lot of colorful things on ourselves, usually representing those 3 colors. People sometimes wear hats, they wear skirts. I am not telling you to find a dress from Latin America and from the country, but what I'm asking the participants to do is to create something that resembles the traditional outfit using paper and other sort of cheap recyclable materials. Come on, we can put our creativity here, right? So, represent the country by using paper and other recyclable materials and put the design of a traditional outfit. Also, someone must wear that outfit. Whether it's the teacher or one of the students, it doesn't matter who, but someone must wear the outfit, okay? Cultural aspect number 2, it will be a dance. I am not going to ask you to prepare a typical dance, so don't get scared. Maybe next year. But this year, I am going to have dance instructors and I'm going to have music at the different sites. All I want from you is that you participate in this dance. This dance could be a typical dance from the country you represent, or also could be a dance or a song from a very famous singer from that country. Cultural aspect number 3. And for this one, I am actually gonna invite the person that's gonna come with me to all the universities to get you participate in this. The cultural aspect number 3 would be singing. I know that not everyone likes to sing or feel that they were cut off for singing. That's okay. It is not a singing competition. Once again, I just want to see how you participate in this. The music of mariachi is a genre of music. Usually has trumpets, it has a singer. It was born in Jalisco, Mexico. And so, I am inviting a very one charro, or the typical mariachi band singer. These mariachi songs are really something that you need to learn about. It's part of our culture. So I am inviting Charro Franelo. He's going to come with me to each university and we're going to sing a mariachi song. I am asking you to read the song because I'm going to translate the song Spanish on one side and English on the other one. And I want you to sing along with Charro. I also want you to try to do the Charro shout. Have you ever heard the Charro shout? I am going to show you what that's like. So this is my friend, Frank. Frank, let's do Cielito Lindo, okay. One famous ranchera. Here it goes like this.
En la Sierra Morena, cielito lindo, vienen bajando. Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo, de contrabando.
Charro, charro.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, there you go, guys. That's where you have to compete. We want you to have fun while you enjoy our Hispanic culture. Gracias. Cultural aspect number 4. And the last aspect that we're going to consider for this competition. The number 4 consists on this. I am going to bring you a house. It will be a frame where you can actually take pictures on. The house will be completely empty. It will only have a window and just the shape of a house. But on that house, you have to decorate that house. It is really big on Hispanic culture and in our traditions that we try to decorate our homes and to make you feel as if you were at home when you come visit. And that's why we say, mi casa es tu casa. I'm sure that you know that phrase. So the house will represent that country. Use your creativity. How are you going to decorate that house? How are you going to tell me and the judges of the competition that you really learn things about this country? I'll give you some ideas. You can use traditional phrases. You can use recipes, delicious food from that place. You can use their colors. Their colors that come with their flag and that they use often. That's okay. It doesn't matter what you do. Represent the countries that we assign to you just by decorating the house. And we're gonna be taking a lot of pictures right there and judging by your creativity and how close you resemble that place. Thank you so much for taking place in the JOI Hispanic Culture Competition for the first time. Hopefully we can set the mark and we can bring this competition to many other places. And also, next year, we can actually expand the competition for the rest of the community. Gracias. In the name of all of us, Hispanic roots, gracias. Thank you for everything. Thank you.